How to know if someone unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can go ahead and find out if someone has basically unadded, unfriended or deleted you from Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're skeptical about someone finding out and then deleting you from the Snapchat friends list, you can actually figure that out. It's very simple. So when you first try to add someone as a friend, what do you get? You get the option called add friend, right? So when you think that someone has unfriended you, all you need to do is just go to their profile over here. So just tap on their profile. Once you tap on the profile, if you find the add friend button right there instead of view friendship and so on, that means that person has basically blocked you or maybe sometimes even unfriended or deleted you from their friends list. The other thing is, if you can see their Snapchat score, right? Currently I can see this person's Snapchat score, it means that I'm still friends with them. But if you cannot see and view the Snapchat score, it means that you are not friends with that person and there's a high chance that person could have basically deleted you. And this is how you can figure out if someone has unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.